Keyong Relay prioritizes product quality. The company is equipped with multiple high-performance standardized production lines and efficient precision automated assembly and testing equipment. It strictly controls every processing and manufacturing stage while consistently adhering to the ISO quality system. The products have obtained various safety, quality, and environmental certifications such as UL, TUV, CQC, CE, and RoHS. Keyong Relay has been dedicated to independent research and development and technological innovation, contributing to industrial upgrading, energy utilization, and intelligent technology in related industries. The company continuously enhances its manufacturing capabilities, improves product quality, and optimizes service efficiency, fulfills a complete service cycle. It collaborates closely with numerous domestic and international manufacturers in the fields of household appliances, communication devices, automotive electronics, industrial automation control, and smart technology. The company has become a trusted relay solution provider and professional relay manufacturer, integrating production, R&D, and after-sales service. If you are seeking high-quality relay products and expect attentive service and reliable cooperation, Keyong Relay is a choice worth considering.